Today we're showcasing the Phoenix Gold MX series subwoofers. Designed with reliability and style in mind, the MX series is ideal for any system that intends to deliver tight, clean, hair-raising bass. These subs come in 10-inch and 12-inch with respective 2-ohm and 4-ohm voice coil models. This particular product is the MX12D4 12-inch 4-ohm model, which aids in delivering deep and accurate bass while still only using a small footprint when installed within tight environments. After taking in the brand identifiable retail packaging, you'll open the box to find a warranty registration sheet, as well as an A4 pamphlet that outlines the subwoofer's enclosure recommendations, specs and diagrams for installation. Underneath the protective cardboard sheet, you'll find the 12-inch beast that is the MX12D4 wrapped for protection. The MX shallow mount subwoofer's heavy-duty construction starts with the Feeney roll surround that promotes an exact linear range of motion within the 22mm of peak to peak. It then follows on with a minimalistic statement which showcases the white motif and a glass fibre reinforced cone. These subs also come with their own personalised quality control ticket of approval that certifies a pass and fail on certain tests. If we flip the 12D4 over and view the back, you can see the powder-coated anti-resonance steel basket which features details of the subwoofer's performance. Within the basket is a sophisticated motor structure consisting of high-temperature torriform voice coils that are made of pure oxygen-free copper, all of which is vented with capstan to reduce heat and resistance. Coupled with 12-gauge nickel-plated terminals, the 12D4 has a measured depth of 107mm, making it great for small enclosure installs. Find more information about the MX range in the Phoenix Gold catalogue, which can be found through the link in the video description.